And taking advantage of people and court intrigue for sure.
Yeah, that's a good point. But we're going back to ancient China here, roughly 221 BCE. Is that what we're saying now?
Yeah.
And China at this time was making the conversion from just a big mess of warring states into what would be eventually be the Qin dynasty. Is that right?
Qin.
Qin? We've been corrected by that officially too. In emails.
I looked it up again. I was like, I'm not falling for this again.
Here, I did it. I think it was you last time.
It definitely was.
So the Qin dynasty finally being ruled by one dynasty. So it was a big change for China.
It was, but the way that they assembled all of these kind of like fractious states into a single empire was through this practice called legalism, which is a political doctrine that basically said, it basically assumes the worst about people, that they're selfish and dumb, and that the best way to make a state